In this video, we will find which fraction is halfway between 1 half and 1/4. We know that if we are given two fractions a and b, then the fraction a plus b by 2 is halfway between a and b. See that we are given a is equal to 1 half and b is equal to 1/4. Therefore, the number which is halfway between 1 half and 1/4 is given by 1 half plus 1/4 whole divided by 2. This is the number A and this is the number B. Now we will simplify it. See that 4 is the LCM of the denominators 2 and 4. So we will make both the denominators 4. For the first fraction, for 1 half, we will multiply both the top and the bottom by 2. So we have made the denominator 4. And for the second fraction, we already have 4 in the denominator. So we will do nothing to the second fraction. Simplifying, we have 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4 whole divided by 2. If we add the numerator, we have 2 plus 1 divided by 4 whole divided by 2. Simplifying, we have 3 by 4 whole divided by 2. Further simplifying, we have 3 by 4 times 1 half, which is same as 3 by 8. Therefore, the number 3 by 8 is halfway between 1 half and 1/4. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.